It's not even a month since we get the hands on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, and now the rumors are after the upcoming beast, the Pixel 7 Ultra or Pixel Ultra. Now there are a couple of things you need to know, as this is from a Google source code and two Twitter sources confirmed the new device is coming. A developer named Kuba recently out with the source code of the Pixel 7 range, which brings surprises with the new Pixel device specification. The device with the codename Lynx and is known by the identifier L10. Now why you guys should be excited about this new device? Because a couple of new features that we didn't see on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are coming in this device. The big camera update over the years. Now rumors are different, where according to Kuba, Pixel 7 Ultra will comes with 50 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN1 main sensor, a 64 megapixel IMX787 which will be 1/1.3 inches sensor, and unannounced 13 megapixel IMX712 sensor that will be used for both front and back ultra wide modules. But as per well-known leaker Ice Universe, the Google Pixel Ultra is under development and is expected to adapt a 1-inch sensor, which eventually makes Samsung becomes the smaller sensor of flagship devices. Even iPhone 14 Pro camera is bigger than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now why the large sensor matters? Because they are capable of getting the cleaner shots with the higher dynamic range, including performs much better in low light imaging, which means Google is after improving cameras on the Pixel Ultra, or what you call Pixel 7 Ultra. But these are not just the updates. The Pixel Ultra will also support a Qualcomm Wi-Fi 6E modem plus Bluetooth combo, which makes Google to get rid of a Samsung's provided Exynos modem that used in the Pixel 6 and 7 lineup. But don't get too excited, because Google is remained partnered with Samsung for Tensor CPU design. With this update, you guys can expect a much performance boost. Even you can expect a twice as fast as the last generation. After all these good news, one bad news is here, that the Pixel 7 Ultra might come with a lower resolution panel than the Pixel 7 Pro, meaning it will power Pixel 6 or Pixel 7 display, which is full HD and capable of 90Hz display. But according to Kuba, the Pixel 7 Ultra will give full HD display but with 120Hz refresh rate. Well, honestly, this is not usual. If this device is a top tier flagship, then there is no way that Google will bring down the resolution, because as by 2022, every top tier flagship device must have a Quad HD Plus resolution with 120Hz refresh rate. Although for those guys who are looking to see a new chipset, then you guys might be disappointed. Well, we are going to see the same Tensor Gen 2 chipset, and it was already confirmed back in August under the name Lynx. It is unclear when this device will be going out, but it is certain not soon. Maybe you guys will see the Pixel Ultra the next year in Google I/O event in May 2023. But if you guys are up for a Pixel device, then here is the shocking battery life of the Pixel 7 Pro. You guys should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.